Isaac. Isaac. Are you awake?
No, I'm asleep.
Listen, I shall meet you at Doc's place at 7 p.m. for the party.
Okay. What time?
7 p.m. at Doc's place.
I mean, now, what time is it?
It's 6 o'clock.
6? Damn, late! Listen, there's this friend of mine who leaves for the airport at 6:30.
Good.
But I have to see him before he leaves.
Good. Then I'll wait. Will you drop me?
No. Take a taxi. You see, this guy lives on the other side of town. Take a taxi. Well. So there.
Thank you. But you haven't given an answer about the party.
Oh, don't you worry. I'll have to see my friend, right? Then I'll be very sure. I'll call you just after that.
Okay.
Stay at home.
Okay.
Bye, baby.
Don't keep me in suspense.
I won't.
Good morning, ma.
Morning, Afi. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Did your brother come home last night?
I didn't see him, but his cars are in.
Then go and check.
He's here.
Who is here?
It's you, of course. Kwesi.
Hello, ma.
Hi. Kwesi, where were you last night?
Oh, ma. Why do you keep bothering about me every time like that?
Why shouldn't I worry? You know, you are the only one left to me.
Yes, but I have to keep the business going, you know.
But your father didn't stay out so late.
It was because I was doing all the footwork so that he could be with you.
Huh? Eat. You must be hungry. You didn't eat last night. Rosalie was here to see you yesterday.
Is that so?
Oh, what do you mean by that so? Didn't you know that she was coming?
No, I didn't.
All right. Sit down and let's talk about that girl.
Mama, put that on the agenda for our next meeting. I'm running late, I have to go.
Look, Kwesi, I won't let you treat the girl like that. She's a very good girl, and she is supposed to be told something.
Is that what she told you?
Oh, I'm a woman, and I can tell when a girl is expecting to be told something.
So tell her something, let her go.
Listen to that. Nonsense. Kwesi, why will you be serious about this issue? You've got to make up your mind. That girl comes from a very respectable home.
See. See you, Mom. I've got to go.
Kwesi, but we haven't. I can't tell what the matter is with this boy. He can make up his mind. There must be something wrong with him. I shall have him examined. Afi! Afi!
Yes, ma.
Bring me the squash. Afi, did you see the lady who came here last night?
Yes, Sister Roslyn.
Yeah, what do you think about her?
Sister Roslyn. I don't know much about her, but I think she's a nice woman.
I like her. She's a very pretty lady. Don't you think she'll be a very good wife for your brother?
Oh, ma, you like everybody. Well, Sister Roslyn is pretty. And I think my brother has his own plans.
Oh, what plans are they that haven't worked all this time?
Ma, I think he knows what he's doing. Just give him some time.
What more time? Listen, you are a child. When men reach this stage in their life, they have many problems in their relationship with women.
What problem, ma?
Could be indecision, it could be fear.
I know that one. That is what we term as P.O.P.
What is that?
That is when the man is afraid to express his love to a woman for fear of being rejected. But in brother's case, I don't think that is the problem.
What is it then? Avi, is your brother all right?
Mama.
I mean, is he there?
Oh, ma, a young man like this. I really would try.
It is possible, you know. Well, if you don't think so, then tell him I want my grandchildren. I like children, you know, and I wouldn't mind having lots of them around me. I wish you would marry this Rosalind girl. She wept too much last night.
Crying. Yeah, people have cried buckets full, and that hasn't moved Brabwaji.
And that is what I don't want.
But ma, it's not his fault. It's the girls who are always chasing him.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, madam. Can I help you?
May I?
Sure, please, sit down.
You don't know me, but I know you. Anyway, I'm Sandra.
Hello, Sandra. What can we do for you?
Please, aren't you going to the office?
Yes, I'm going to the office.
We wanted to order some timber from you.
Timber? But we don't deal in timber.
Oh, is that so?
Yes.
How about paint?
Madam, we don't deal in any of these things. However, I have some friends who deal in them. I may introduce you to them.
Oh, but someone told me you deal in these things.
Well, I don't deal in those things, but I could still take you to my friend. Madam, I think you can pick a taxi from here.
Would you take me to your friend and introduce me?
Well, I'll speak to him on the phone before he gets there.
When do you leave the office? I'll have to come and see you if I have any problems.
Well, then you have to call first to find out if I'm in.
Sir, the reorganization exercise has been completed, and it's clear that 40 workers of various grades are going to become redundant. Now, the selection of those who will have to leave will be based on the principle of first in, last out. And as you know, each of the 40 will be paid a severance award of 18 months advance salary. You know, this is in accordance with the
CBA.
The CBA, yeah, that's it.
Yes, but this principle of first in, last out does not necessarily mean that we have to keep a lousy older worker in place of a younger and more efficient one.
No, sir, no, not at all.
Let's just make sure we don't throw good workers away. And anyway,
yeah.
Now, how much will this whole exercise cost us?
Well, by my estimates, we'll need about 180 million cedis to pay the severance award. I'm afraid we don't have that amount of money, so I suggest we pay 50%. That's about 90 million cedis.
So by your cash flows, when can we pay the rest?
About a year or so.
No. I mean, we can't. It's not realistic. We can't do that.
I know what. Can't we spread this whole exercise over a period of about, say, 12 to 18 months? You know, so that everybody goes home with what is due them.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I think we could work.
We can do something
please
about
put your
it.
heads together and let's try and work something out.
Yeah.
In the meantime, please move to the conference table. I'll get Angela to refresh you.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you.
Right.
For the moment, we can afford 40 million cedis for the first 6 months.
40 million, huh?
Yes.
Are you sure that's the right figure?
Yes, 40.
I see. And which group is that going to be?
It's going to cover 15 people.
Okay, I think that's Group C. We'll start with Group C. That's, what's their names again? Amate?
No, I think you must have the list.
Yeah. Amate, Johnson, Nikwe. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay.
We start there.
All right. I think we can work it out.
Tea is here.
No, I don't like tea.
What do you prefer?
I want club mineral.
What about you say? Hi.
Why did you come in here?
Oh boy, G. I was expecting you to get in touch with me, but you didn't. Look, I want so much to attend this party.
Well, I haven't been invited.
You told me you were invited.
Listen. I have work to do and I have people to see. When I finish and I'm early, I'll come.
Look.
Okay?
Abuaji, all work and no play makes Abuaji a dull boy. Look, I'll be expecting you at 10 p.m. If you don't turn up, I'll check out your end. All
right, I'll come.
Are you sure?
I will come.
Oh, Angelina, come here. Don't mind Mr. Okan. I want to ask you something. Why isn't your boss married?
Oh, how can I know?
That guy is a smart guy. But I wonder why he isn't married. I'm sure he can't take good care of the girls.
I wonder, but he's so efficient, you know.
Yeah, darling. All right?
Yeah.
I'll be expecting you.
Okay.
See ya.
Bye.
Davy, don't be late.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Doc is here.
Doc. All right, thanks.
Buddy.
The doc. Did you meet Helen?
No, where is she?
She just left here.
She came here? For what?
The party tonight.
My God. I've gone and invited undergrad too.
What? Who asked you to go and invite her? Go and stop it. She has to stick to her books. But why are you encouraging her?
Look, I am not encouraging her. She still loves you.
Come on, man.
Anyway,
This is no problem. I'll go and stop her.
Okay.
Do you have anything for her?
Yeah, I ordered some books for her. Please give these to her.
I just don't care. I wonder why you don't want to go out with her.
I don't know. I just don't know.
Where do we meet?
Your place, 8 p.m.
Okay.
I just have this to do. When I finish, then I'm out of here.
Okay.
Yeah?
That's a day.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
That's all.
Yeah. I feel like a schoolboy carrying these books again, you know? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It's coming.
Have a good meal, please.
Thank you.
This is a nice place.
Yeah. This is a very, very exclusive place.
But why aren't people here?
It's because I wanted this place to be reserved for only the two of us. Yeah.
And the party?
No, come on. But I would advise you to forget about the party. Because one, our budget is not going to be there. And I'm not going to be there either. I'm too tired. He's out of town. You're not going to have any good company over there. So I advise you to forget about it. Study hard rather for the pending exams. After exams, more good time, okay?
For once, I'm not amused, though.
Oh my. Don't you trust me?
What has class got to do with this?
Look, I wish you well. I can't afford to see you going to write referred exams and all that kind of thing. When we were in school, we never wrote any referred paper. And I want you to live up to that. We all wish you that, okay?
Yes, man. How are you? Hi, girlie. Looking good. Yeah, that's good. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, how you doing? You got it. You got it. Hi. What should you take? Oh, give me a beer. Which beer? No. Where do you come from? Beer, dear. And money. Crap.
This man is really a joke.
No, he isn't.
Are you sure?
As for you. Hi, doctor. I'm waiting for you. You promised to take me out.
Yeah. I am getting prepared to take you out, huh?
You don't need any preparation. We can go tomorrow. I'm free.
Wow! Listen to that! You know something? They say the most expensive thing you can get in this world is a free woman. Oh, hi! You're here! Hi, sweetheart. How are you doing?
Fine.
Good.
Where is the boy?
He's going to be here very soon.
Are you sure?
Very. In fact, give him just 2 minutes. He's going to be here. Okay? I'll see you. You stand over here, okay?
Right.
Do that.
they leave little to the imagination.
Well.
Don't you think so?
Yes, well. Why should there be any puzzle over a soup or something you have to eat?
Yes, you are right. A chicken soup must be seen as a chicken soup even before it is tasted.
Oh, you and chicken soups. Oh, go ahead. Well, look.
Why didn't you come to the party?
Oh, well, too many people there. I just wanted to have a quiet time.
So why did you send for me? Why don't you go for your...
Oh, don't you want to stay with us here? Okay, let me take you back so you can wait for us over there.
Hey, Doc, it's okay. Rose, let's go for a ride.
If you are taking me back to the party, I'm not going.
I see. Let's go. Doc? I'll see you.
Okay.
Good night.
Okay, good night.
Good night, man.
Where are you going?
Oh, well, anywhere quiet. Somewhere where we can be by ourselves.
Isaac.
Yes.
You promised to tell me something to make me happy tonight.
What will make you happy?
Isaac.
Yes?
Where's your master?
Please, madam, I don't know.
Is there somebody with him?
Madam, I'm not there inside.
When did he come back last night?
Madam, I only came this morning. I work here on Sunday and Saturday.
Do you know you are useless?
Madam!
And you are hopeless too. You must be sacked.
Madam!
Shut up and let me talk to you.
Peter, it's okay. It's all right.
Why should you keep me waiting at the
Listen,
party?
it's like this. I had a very hard evening. I got home and I was so
Look,
tired.
it wasn't fair. You shouldn't have disgraced me like that. You made me wait for you.
Okay,
you told me I should wait for you at 10
Calm
p.m.
down. I understand. Where are you off to?
Where am I off to?
Yes, where are you off to?
I did take my trouble go.
No, you listen. Just relax. I'll go and drop you.
Look. Don't worry yourself. I'll be all right. I'll pick a taxi. You can attend to your visitor.
You see, it's...
I see. Abwaji, is that how you are?
She's just a friend of mine. You see, she came in this morning
Abwaji, today
and
I've caught you.
No, you don't understand.
I said I've caught you. Abwaji, I've caught you. You see, so I was the fool to wait for you at the party. You told me you'd be there at 10 p.m. I started waiting. You didn't come. No, you were chilling yourself in your
relax.
bedroom.
Look, listen, she just came in.
Did you hear what I said? You were chilling yourself in your bedroom.
So
I was the fool. Girl, you
come on,
stupid
relax.
bigot.
Listen.
You! You are stupid as your houseboy.
Now you listen to me. If you're going to come into this house and you're going to raise your voice and insult me like that, I'm going to walk you out of here. Get out!
All right. You take me home.
Fine. Let's get out of here.
Doc! Well, what is the matter?
Doc!
What is the matter?
Doc, I have seen a marvelous thing today. Marvelous.
What is it?
One of God's own perfect creations. A girl. No, a woman.
Huh? Are you going off your head?
No.
You talking about a woman like this?
Look, I thought God had stopped making women like this. I'm sure he used one of the old chassis to create this one. You should have seen her. Perfect. You know what my Spanish friends will say? Una muchacha bonita. Beautiful. My.
Where is he?
Downtown somewhere around Merchant's Pharmacy.
Okay. Let's go back there. I want to see her.
No. You see, if we should go there now, don't notice me. Because I was virtually staring at her. And I could have done that the rest of the day. Oh my. Beautiful. You know, this is una muchacha bonita.
Okay. Let's
beautiful
do
woman.
that.
Yes.
Let's
Cheers.
do that. Cheers.
To my new bonita.
Is this the Miss Universe that you saw?
No, but I saw her here. But she doesn't look like the same person now.
I'll find out.
Please, madam.
Sanunde Kaswa. Please, madam, yesterday we came here to buy waji and we left our change.
Are you sure it is me? Look at me properly.
Yes, yes. You know...
Okay, excuse me. I'm coming.
Yeah. Your daughter was even here. She was washing plates. I mean the girl with the plenty hair and large eyes.
Oh. He means Auntie Mary.
I know it's Auntie Mary, but I'm very different from Auntie Mary. But gentlemen, wait. How can you notice the hair, the eyes of a girl washing plates far away and not notice the woman standing right in front of you serving you watching?
I'm sorry, madam. I'm sorry. Excuse me, gentlemen. Where can I find this woman?
She lives far away from here. If it's your turn, you can come here tomorrow.
Thank you very much. I shall come. I'm sorry, madam. Bye. See you sometime.
Man, you are all dogs.
Didn't you see the car he came with? This must be a big time man with a big ride and with a big house somewhere.
Yeah, man, the higher they are, the lower they go. The bigger they are, the smaller they take.
Oh, it's you. Where are you going?
I said hop in. Where are you heading?
Airport Residential.
I thought so. You sit tight and let me take you to where you're going.
Okay, let's see.
From here, I'll turn right. And I hope the third house with the blue gate on my right.
Who lives there?
Am I right or wrong?
Answer me.
Don't worry. Don't worry. It's just my luck. It's just my damn luck that any time I found a nice, adorable girl like you that I could love, protect, and cherish. She's on her way to see some lousy boyfriend who, for all I know, will not have the slightest affection for her.
If you care to know, the gentleman I'm visiting is not lousy. Thank you for the ride.
Little lamb, when the wolf gives you a chase, run back to me.
This is good. But what about the report?
It's almost ready.
Barbara, do you know Accra very well?
A bit. Were you after something?
Oh, no, nothing. You see, last Saturday, this friend of mine took me to the area around the Ofere Cinema to get some watching, and it was good, man. Very good. I could have it 3 times a day, you know.
Those women there really know how to cook.
Yeah? Do you know them?
Not personally. I mean the Northerners in general.
Oh, okay.
They really know how to cook those rice meals.
Oh,
like the wache and the mutio.
Oh, I see. Do we have a worker around here who lives around that area?
I'm sure there will be. But can't we just send the driver?
No. I don't want to send the driver. I want someone who knows the woman so that he can be served well, you see.
Yeah. Okay. Let me think. Mr. Mahmood, the groundsman. I think he lives in that area.
Good. You'd like to have some, won't you?
Yeah. How much shall we buy?
Maybe about 2,500. I'll get Amuzu to come and have some too.
Okay.
So get Mahmood and let's get the food. Okay?
Okay.
But hurry with the report.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, Doc. Hey, what's up? Why don't you come out for lunch? What? Oh, come on. Why can't you come? All right. Look, I have something very special for you. Yeah. All right, okay. We'll meet at your place then.
Mr. Yankee from Papasi Construction is here to see you, sir.
Let him come in, but please tell Mr. Okain to come as well, and he should bring his copies of the, what do you call it, the warehouse plans.
Okay.
Yeah?
All right.
Yeah, thank you. Good afternoon, gentlemen.
Fine afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Yeah.
I believe you have had enough time to go over the sketches. What are your comments, sir?
Well, I haven't had much time, but Mr. Okain here has, and I think there are a few things he'd like to discuss with you.
Yes.
Go ahead.
This one like this. You see this road coming from here?
Yeah.
Bends to the entrance here. I think that will have to change because we want it on the other side. And when it is here, it will obstruct the view of the security man.
Okay, I think I can make that. But you have to realize, though, that the entrance is further away from the security, you know.
Can't we take the office from below and put it in that space?
Mm-hmm.
You know, maybe cantilever it off the wall or something?
Hey, boss, you're getting technical. Yes, I think that can be done easily. It can be done easily.
You devil. You set my brains cracking while you knew the solution to the problem.
What solution?
Who brought you the wachi?
Listen, I have found no solution. This was just a recce.
Really? Mm-hmm. Then give me a report.
I found a fellow in my office, one of my employees. He lives in that area. So I asked Angelina to send him to get us wachi. Apparently he knows the woman very well. So he was like feeling the ground.
So what did he find?
You know I can't talk to him. So it was like, well, I'll send him to you.
To me?
But you know these things must be done.
So okay, I understand. Yeah, get some place from the kitchen, okay?
These things must be done discreetly. I can't talk to my employee over such a...
Oh my God.
Baba, are you aware that it was 2 years now
since this girl ran away from the husband.
Oh, is that so? Time flies. I have almost forgotten about it.
Almost forgotten about it. Why?
I thought this case was settled a week after Amina had run away. Since then, she has refused to go near him. So, she is not his wife.
You have been encouraging this girl in her strong-headedness.
Don't forget she takes after you.
Takes after me? Not in this respect. I know a good thing when I see one.
Maybe she does too.
I think you must talk to her to go back to the husband.
No. I won't force her into a marriage she does not like. Huh?
Amina, come. Give me the parcel I gave to you to keep. Bring it out. This thing was given to me by Alaji. But the way you are behaving, I don't know what to do with it.
Ma, if Alaji gave it to you because of me, then please send it back to him. But if it's a gift, he can have his son and wear it.
Amina, you must listen to me. I'll not recommend anything bad for you.
Hey, Baba.
Oh.
Salam alaikum.
Maalaikum salam.
How are you?
I am fine. And you too?
Very fine.
Oh.
I came to see Mary. Where is she?
She's in there with your daughter.
Ma, Alaji is already married. He has 2 wives.
Who has 2 wives?
Hey, Ma.
Hey, my wife. Are you still on this matter? Why don't you leave the poor girl alone? Eh? Amina, let me look at you. You are blossoming well. Is that why your mother is worrying you?
The way she is, she's going to fall victim to one of those deceitful young men going about. All that they are after is a quick, cheap affair. And then they are off to the next girl.
Ma, I'm not a cheap girl. I can take care of myself.
You wait till you meet one of them whose eyes are red.
Hey, Amina, come and visit me sometimes, eh? Excuse me now. I have something very important to discuss with your mother.
Come in. Mr. Mahmoud, why have you taken so long?
Master, today I go meet one Lord Ogodogo life from Mami Watcher's place.
But I was told you know the woman.
Master, if I know her, but if people plenty like that, she has no eyes for anybody.
Oh, okay. Now, can't we find anybody who can bring in the watcher when we place the orders?
Oh, Master, don't worry. I will do that myself.
Oh, no. Okay. You can't leave your work like that, Mr. Mahmoud.
Oh, Master.
No.
But
no.
if you ask permission from MD, nobody
Oh,
feels.
yes, I know that. Yeah, it can be, but
yes.
Listen. Find out if the watcher woman has got a child who can bring in our orders.
Oh,
okay.
She has a daughter.
Really?
I will talk to her.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, find out and let me know that by tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Oh, I'll take it inside. Don't you worry.
Oh,
yeah. Thank you.
This one,
no, that's all right. That's all right, Mr. Mahmoud.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow, eh?
Yes, sir.
Please find out, okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Good.
Mommy, you see, I beg you just allow your daughter to be bringing the watcher to us in the office.
Baba, I can't let her bring it. Your place is too far. You see, she's the only one who helps me there. Why don't you send a driver to come and take it? I shall give you specially in the house when you bring your pants in the evening.
Mama, you see, I understand. You see, but the driver travels outside very often. Look, your daughter will not work. I will give her some money to take taxi.
Hey, Baba, why don't you send a messenger from your office to come and pick it? It will be ready by 12 o'clock.
We want it by 1 o'clock.
All right, you come anytime. I'll serve you. Bring it anytime.
Why?
How much is it?
100.
Hey, it's too much. Go and clear the table. How much are you buying?
1,000 cedis.
How much meat?
3,000.
I don't have meat, I have fish. Oh, you want meat and fish?
Oh, meat and fish, 3,000.
Mr. Mahmoud.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you didn't keep long at all.
Yeah. But the woman, she won't agree that her daughter should bring the wachi. But don't worry, my sister has some little girl in the house. She stopped school. I'll get her to bring it.
But how can she find this place?
Oh, Master, I'll bring her 1 time or 2 times, and she will know. She will know that.
Anyway, did you see the watches seller's daughter?
Yeah, I see that girl. She's fine. Oh.
What is her name?
Master, for her name, I forget.
Anyway, Mr. Mahmoud.
Yes.
I want to confide in you.
Yes, sir.
We want that girl to do something for us. So we want you to use your contacts to get her for us. Yes.
I'm going to do something for you.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, for me and my friend, I mean.
Oh, I see. I see you. So, if it's a girl you want, that you eat so much wachi, Master? Oh, no. This one, you chop too much wachi. Why? If it's the girl you want and you have money, you get her. The mother will agree. Even the girl herself will come to you.
Do you think so?
Why not, Master?
But, listen. It is not all women who go after money.
Oh, Master, don't talk like that. Look, we will get her for you. This one is not any big job. Oh.
So I should trust you, eh?
You trust me.
Okay.
You know me already.
Okay.
Do it.
Mr. Mahmoud,
This one.
I trust you.
Oh, yes,
You
sir.
just take the small one for,
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
good. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye.
Anytime, don't leave your child there. Outside.
Yes, sir, but Chalwate no enter big man house.
Oh, that's all right. You bring it. Hi. You are late. Just a shade late. Didn't you see Mahmoud on the road?
No, I did not.
Well, too bad.
Yeah, what did he say?
Take your time. Come and take the food in the kitchen now.
What did he say?
Too bad. He couldn't convince the woman to let the daughter come and be giving us the food.
So what do we do?
That's exactly what I'm thinking about too.
How could he?
I don't know. But are you sure you're really in love with this girl?
Look, this is special. You should see her. Beautiful!
God. So what are you going to do to all these 3 girls? Helen, Rosalind, and Rosie?
I don't know.
Are you just going to push them out like that?
Let's see what... I mean, with time, we'll see what will happen.
Wait. What do you think you can tell Helen?
Helen!
Yes. Just tell me something.
Can you marry Helen? She's too pugnacious. My God!
Well, that is why I never went for her.
Well, fine, I know I went for her, but not Helen. No.
And what about Rosalind? You know, Rosalind is the darling baby.
Listen. Rosalind is sweet, she's essence, she's everything, but...
Sister.
Me?
No. You. Yes. Come closer. Why? Are you afraid of me?
No, I want to stand here.
I want to tell you something. Come.
Please talk. I'll hear you from here.
Okay, well, what is your name?
Me?
Yes.
Amina.
And do you know me?
Yes. You come to buy watches sometimes.
Oh, so you know me. So where do you live?
My house is far from here.
Oh, but my house is just around the corner here. I want to show you the place so that you can come and visit
I can't.
me.
I won't find time. Even my mother won't allow me.
Oh, I know your mother. I'll talk to her.
Amina, let's go. You are wasting time.
Hey, look. Take the lead. She's coming. Look, she's
Please, we
coming.
can't leave her behind. Her mother will be angry, Papa.
I have some brothers. They are very bad.
Oh,
Even my mother will be angry that I have invited you.
You take this. I'll find a way out. Oh, it's a dash.
Hey, what did you say?
He was giving me money. I didn't take it.
You are lying. He said he
Oh, it's true.
She was giving you money.
Yeah.
You didn't take it.
No.
Let's go and collect it.
Please.
Ah!
I won't take it.
Why?
You are not serious.
Ah. Amina, why did you keep so long?
Mama, there was a misunderstanding.
So you went to Ueja for the water?
No, the man has increased the cost.
Oh, hurry up and let us go. And if you want to joke with me, you have to be very, very careful.
Oh, Emma.
See, Emma. Get this.
It's coming, eh? Take this. Huh? Thank you. Good boy.
What do you want here, Baba?
Oh, but I told you that I'll visit you.
Visit me?
Yes.
Please go away. If I'm found here with you, we are both dead.
Oh, look. Amina, wait. Look. Amina, listen to me. Look, I want to take you away from this place. You don't belong here.
I don't belong here. Where do I belong?
Oh, some special place. Wait.
And who will take me there?
Me.
You?
Yes.
You are funny, Papa. As you are standing there.
You don't know me very well.
But, Papa, I know you. You can't take me anywhere.
Look, you don't know. Look, have you noticed the amount of watch I've been buying these days?
Watch.
That is even small. Look, Amina, wait. Look. You won't know. Amina, Allah, I can take you away from this place and make you into some high-class lady.
Can you take me there?
I can.
As you are standing here.
Why not? I can. Already, I can see you in some high heels and lipo. And then, this your hair, beautiful. And then, walking like this.
You are not serious, Papa.
I'm serious.
Walking how?
Like this.
You are a joker, Papa, you.
I'm not joking. Wait, I'm not joking. I'm serious. You just give me the chance and see.
Just to make me walk like this.
Right. Amina, wait. Look, wait. Oh, Amina. I haven't even finished telling you everything. Wait. Wallahi, this girl is bad, pa. La.
Has anyone noticed your moves? I mean, for example, has her mother seen you?
Hey, wallahi, the mother, I hear, she's like a woman tiger. Yes, she doesn't want anybody to talk to her daughter. But I will make small, till I get the girl. Then later I'll see to the woman. Master, what I need now is some small money.
Okay, you don't worry. We'll get you some money, eh? Yeah. Oh, okay. You must be very, very, very careful. Because it is not all women you can entice with money.
Master! Oh, which woman don't like money? You wait, give me the money. I will bring this girl to you like a small ship. Even bigger ones, I will conquer.
I hope it is enough.
Illallah. Master, this girl, I conquer and finish. Not 7 p.m. sir. 6:30, Akapako, meet me there.
Okay.
I will bring this girl there.
Okay, very much. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir, master.
Don't you remember me? I was with Amina that...
Oh, God is on my side. I must see her by all means tonight. Where is she?
I can help you if you bring something. Her mother is wild, pa. She doesn't allow the girl to go out at all. She has asked the brothers to guard her.
But she's a grown-up.
Do you love Amina?
Well, do you want to know? Yes, I do.
Can you marry her?
You are a bad girl. You ask too many questions. Why? Look, take this. Take this and show me the place.
Thank you.
Yes. Just give 2 inches allowance, okay? Okay.
Thank you very much. You're sure you don't want a beer?
Nah, something soft. No alcohol for me before I see Amina.
Alright! Wonders will never cease. Amina will really kill you, huh?
Yes, man. That's if I'm not already dead.
You know what?
Well,
the place is rough, so we have to go there well dressed, so that we don't look like one of them.
And isn't this decent enough?
Perfect. Remember, first impressions are always important.
The best, man.
I saw him. I saw him this morning. He said you'll be coming here this evening.
Here?
Yes.
For what?
Hey, you call him from me. Hurry up! Are you two come?
What is he going to do here?
Get me some gari from Auntie Fatty's place. Quick! Hurry up! What do you want here?
Amina.
For what? I think he's a thief. Search him.
Laila.
Keep quiet. Wait. Yes. Money. When you get money, then you want to spoil the small girls, eh? You want to spoil the small girls. Look, you are one, eh? You are one. Next time you do that, I will kill you. Go on, get out. Get out! Look at you. What do you do? Let's go.
Allah, like I finish him, like I win you, like I win the girl finish. But it gets on two brother. They can't spoil the thing.
You just take this for your trouble, okay? Baba,
Oh,
take this for your
I
trouble.
go get them. I know fin.
Yeah, I believe you. I know you will do it. Yes, Baba, I'll see you, okay? Yeah. Yes, sir. Do something.
What's happening?
It couldn't go through. Why? He said he got so close to succeeding, but it couldn't happen. It failed.
Listen. Why don't we just get this guy out of this whole thing?
Why do you think so?
Let's do it ourselves.
Really?
Just the two of us. Don't forget. Too many cooks. Yeah?
I think that's a better idea.
Let's get out of here. Yeah, we can do it together.
So near, yet so far. No, I can't forget about this girl. I'm going to find her.
Not so fast, man. There are things I have to clear. If you want my involvement.
What do you mean by if you want my involvement? We are in this together.
We are involved together.
This!
Me, I'm not suffering from that disease, oh. Falling in love. The very expression sounds stupid. Falling in love.
That is pure love. Love at first sight. No, I can't forget about this girl.
Hey! Oh, don't be money, papa.
I guess you're right.
Look at him! Now tell me, what are you going to tell the other girls?
I have no legal contract with any of them.
But you're committed morally?
Keep morals out of this.
Look, don't let Helen hear you say this. She will bring a court action against you immediately.
For what?
Okay.
No legal and moral obligations. How about emotional attachment?
Of course. I have been involved with 1 or 2 of them emotionally. But choosing a girl for life is different. Like they say, it's not to be enterprised nor taken in hand lightly, or unadvisedly, or wantonly, but reverently, discreetly, advisedly.
Now I know. I'm going to call all the other girls and tell them Isaac says the game is over. The last kiss was his goodbye. So, Akpa,
not that crudely, come on.
All the same, leave that to me, eh? Leave it to me.
Amozu!
Hi, what are you doing here?
I came to call you to take me to Abuela's place.
For what?
I'm hungry. I don't have food to eat.
Oh.
What else do you want me to do?
Okay, I'm sorry.
You hurry up and
Yes,
take
I
me.
know. Go and wait for me right now, okay? Let the taxi go. I'll be with you soon, alright? Yes.
I'm waiting.
Yeah, I'll see you soon.
Good afternoon, madam. I want to buy some watching.
Are you eating it here? You are taking it away.
Oh, I'll get my pan from the car.
Oh,
I'll
wait.
take it
I'll
away.
let my daughter help you. Amina! Amina! Help the gentleman to bring the stand out.
How much will you buy?
Oh, anything. Give me about 500 worth. Maybe wachi 500, fish 1,000, meat 1,000, anything. Just get it for me.
Ma.
Do you live in this area?
No, I live in Pig Farm.
Pig farm. So I can come and visit you, eh?
Please don't come. You put me in trouble.
Dog! Dog! Dog, where are all your plates?
What for?
I made some toast. Do you have butter? Oh, poor me, I even bent the toast.
Then what you need is an ashtray, not a plate.
That's for you, dog.
Dog! Yeah?
Dog!
Yeah?
Hey, dog. Dog, come. For my eyes have seen my heart's desire. Is this the face that launched 1,000 ships? Oh, Helen, make me immortal with a kiss. Where is she from?
Why, aren't you happy to see me?
That's not the reason. It's just that I didn't expect to see you here.
You know, I'm very, very hungry. So I came over for it.
All right. I even have some food in the car. Doc, kindly get here to go and get the food from the car.
Oh, yeah, it's nothing, so I'll get it myself.
Is it Chinese?
Dagomba. Excuse me. Listen, Amuzu. I have seen Amina.
and I have spoken to her. Gee, my mind is blown.
You mean you saw Amina and you opened your mouth and you talked to her?
I spoke to her. Listen. We have to launch Operation Search and Destroy at once.
Yes.
At once.
Yes!
You guys, aren't you bringing the food?
Oh, in a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute.
Doc, where are you?
Hello, oh, Rosalie. What is the matter?
Doc, where is Isaac?
He's not here. Sit down.
No. Could he have gone to church? Look, I saw his car parked right by the First Christ Church.
No, it is not possible. Isaac at church? Wait. I remember he told me he would.
You mean he's joined that church? But why?
To save his soul. Of late he's been talking about salvation, the need to be born again and all.
Born again?
Yes. You know one nonsense about that church?
What is it?
That once you're a member, you have to marry from that church. Or maybe you take it there.
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Join that church?
Mm-hmm.
No way. Not even to rescue Isaac.
No. This is not right. Look, you have to join him. Show your love.
You don't understand, Doctor. Look at me. I'm not growing any younger, you know. And now that he is born again, when is he going to come out of that nursery to marry me?
Oh.
I'm going. Tell him to look for me when he needs me. See.
Rosalie. Oh, Rosalie. Well, bye.
I'm going for the wine.
All right, hurry, please.
What do you guys see in that boy? He's funny. And he knows how to deceive innocent girls too.
Is he not your friend? I can see you don't like him.
Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. There is nothing between us.
I like him. He's got a lot of intellect than most young men around. And it's fun to be in their company. Him and Doctor.
This is another deceit. The guy is a struggling contractor, barely making ends meet, and he calls himself, what? A doctor.
The man is a qualified engineer from UST. And if you must know, he doesn't call himself a doctor. We call him that. He can cure you with laughter.
Oh, then let him cure his friend. The guy is too lean. He looks like a sick person.
Well, as for that, I'll say that. Some women like them slim and smooth. Others like them ragged like a sack filled with stones. They call them macho.
Hey, I like macho.
Yeah, baby.
Without brains.
Hey.
Look.
Let's cut this topic.
Mm-hmm.
Let me have some drink.
Cheers.
I wish I could say cheers with joy, but I can't. Cheers.
Cheers.
Isaac, I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all. Tell me you love me.
I love you.
Do you mean it?
But I mean it.
Then what are we waiting for?
Listen, I care about you very much. But at the same time, we'll have to be very careful. We'll have to make sure that that final step we take will work.
Why won't it work, Isaac? Why won't it work? Are we not right for each other? Isaac, you have a problem. Please make up your mind.
I don't have a problem. It's just that I don't want to hurt neither you nor me. Let's give ourselves some more time.
2 years and you still need some more time? Please, Isaac, please. All right. I'll leave it all to you. I'll wait for you to decide and call me when you need me.
Are you leaving? This girl is proving a bit more difficult.
And since I haven't seen her, I can't prescribe any remedy.
That's my doctor, man.
Anyway, listen. Once Mahmoud has made some contact, why don't I try to convince him to get the girl to come to your office to discuss some business with you tomorrow?
Good idea! Good idea!
You like it?
Yes, but then we have to make sure that he doesn't suspect anything is going on, you know.
Oh, no, that is no problem.
You're sure?
Leave that to me.
You're sure?
Yes, leave it to me.
That's cool.
Good evening, sir. Sir, Mr. Mahmoud says you want to see me.
Yes, I sent for you. Please, sit down.
Why do you look at me like that?
It gives me the greatest pleasure watching you. Anyway, what would you have? A beer or a Guinness? A mineral?
Thank you. I can't take anything.
Amina, you're a very beautiful woman, and I feel I love you.
Why? But I don't know you.
Well, this is me standing here now. Now you know me, and I love you. Do you love me?
This man is funny.
Jesus Christ. Wait. Just wait. Wait, don't move. Wait. Smile for me. Look at me, smile. Look this way, this way. This way, yes. And that way. This way. Now look at me again. Look at me again. And then smile. Smile. Behold the woman.
Gee! Hey, where is she? I thought you said you were bringing her here. Master, speak!
Toto. Make haste slowly. Festina lente.
Wow. Have some tea. Or would you prefer a mineral?
Yes, a muscatella.
Afi, bring sister a muscatella. I think I must be staying with that boy. As an only child, he must give me those who will mourn me when I'm dead. I want to nurse them, train them, and love them now.
Ma, you talk about them. Me, I can't have too many children. 1 or 2, that's all.
Hey, this girl. And what will you do with the rest? You mean my son will not come to you after that 1 or 2?
Ma, but there's family planning.
I never heard of it, and I never used any. We took what God gave us.
That is old-fashioned. The world is changing. Mom, I have to go. It's late.
Then finish your drink.
No, thank you. I'm all right. Okay, I'll see you now.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Afi.
Yes, ma'am.
Come and clear these things. Afi, why does your brother stay out so late these days?
I don't know, ma. Maybe he has some big work to do.
I don't like the way he's treating my daughter-in-law at all.
Hey, ma. Has he already become your daughter-in-law? As for Sister Roslyn, because he's got degrees and cash, everybody says, on one neck or no challenger.
Afi, you are wrong. Marry a woman just for her academic qualifications or her beauty or her money are all superficial.
Ma, I think you should let this Roslyn girl go out and look for Brabwaji herself. The way you entertain her, she would think she has been selected for Bra.
I haven't chosen any woman for him. What I want is he should get settled.
Amina, come. What are you doing here?
I'm going home, but I came to buy something.
Have you finished? Let's go, I'll give you a lift.
Oh no, I'm alright. I'm in something.
Oh, let's go. Just get your things, let's go.
I'll go, but my things are over there.
Fine, go and bring them. I'll take you in, don't worry.
Come in.
Mr. Waji, can I please see you a minute?
Come in. Come in and have a seat.
Thank you. I can't. I must go.
Why?
I had to run away to come here. My mother won't allow me to go anywhere.
But
I'll tell you everything one day.
at least come in and have a drink or something.
Please, Mr. Waji, I can't. I'll come in another time.
Amina, you're beautiful and I love you.
Don't you love me for anything else?
I love you for everything that you are.
Like what?
Like you're intelligent, you're hardworking, you're obedient, and you're very beautiful.
There you are.
No. You see, you don't seem to understand.
I can't come in. You have a visitor.
Who? Amuzu?
Yes.
Amuzu is my friend, my very best friend. He's not a visitor. Please. Listen, just give me a minute. Wait for me. Just one moment. Just a moment. Christ, now I feel like strangling you. Why did you have to come here this time?
Why?
Because of you, she won't come inside.
Oh my God, I'm sorry, boy. If I'd known she would be here, I would.
But did you have to come here in the first place?
You asking me that? Okay, I'm leaving. Let her stay.
No, she's the strong-willed type. She won't stay.
So what do we do?
I don't know.
Come on, think. Don't tell me you don't know. Think.
Amuzu, meet Amina. Amina, Amuzu, my very, very good friend.
Hello. Pleased to meet you. Can I shake you?
Well, she doesn't want to stay because you're here.
Please, madam. Don't go because I'm here.
No, please. I have to see my mother. She's waiting for me.
You know something? You are a beautiful creation of God. So why don't you stay here for only 5 minutes so that we'll feel closer to God?
Please, I must go, Mr. Abwaji. I have to leave. Good night.
Good night.
Do you want some more?
I'm all right.
Baba, have you sent Amina?
No. Is she not in her room?
Do you know we shall soon find ourselves in trouble if we don't watch that girl?
How do you mean?
In spite of all the advice I've given her, she doesn't want to stay at home.
Uh-huh.
And I've told her that a self-respecting woman stays at home until a man comes for her hand.
Oh, how does the man know she exists?
Is that what you are saying to me? Finish it.
Oh! Mary!
Oh. Where's your sister?
She was in the room when I left for town.
She isn't there. She's gone out. We must be careful this girl does not bring disgrace on us. You must keep an eye on her.
What is the matter, mother?
I think she's seen a man in town. I can see the signs. It's all over her. What if she's put in a family way without the proper rites being done?
You see, my concern is that she marries where there is something, so that she can get something to eat, and so that we too can get some of the something to eat.
Rascal.
Joe? Baba?
Clear the things.
Yes, Baba.
Don't go and eat it.
Yes, Baba.
Ago. Amina.
Look, Emma. I was bringing it to show you. It's a gift.
A gift from whom?
A certain man. He came to buy wache the other day.
He came to buy wache and gave you this gift on top.
It's not that. He says he likes me.
Just for selling wache to him, he said he liked you and gave you this expensive gift. Look, Amina, I wasn't born yesterday. I gave birth to you. Do you remember remarking that you've been seeing somebody in town?
Yes, Emma.
I saw this coming a long way off. Now, who is that man?
Mr. Abwaji.
Where does he live?
Laboni. Yes, Laboni.
Where in Laboni? I want to talk to him.
He says he lives at the house with the brown gate, next to the meat cottage.
Hey! So you've been there? Give me the chain. Give me the chain. I'll show it to your father.
Please don't go to his house. I haven't had anything to do with him.
Do you have a cold drink or something in the fridge?
Help yourself.
Please do come in.
Are you Mr. Abuaji?
No.
Ah, I think we are at the wrong house.
Well, please, do sit down. Yeah, do sit down. Good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Amuzu.
I am Haruna Ali, and this is Mary, my wife. Yeah. We are seriously looking for Mr. Abuaji.
Okay, I'll call him for you.
Are you Mr. Abuaji?
Yes, I am.
Sit down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is Alhaji Haruna Ali and his wife Auntie Mary. The message is that they have a very nice little hen which they have been keeping under a basket. They found out that of late the hen has been fretting and now comes out from under the basket. They investigated and found out that you have been distracting, attracting, influencing, and coveting the hen. What do you have to say to that?
Madam, please, who is your daughter?
Amina, my poor innocent girl.
Baba and my mother. I must say that I've seen Amina once. Only once. But the moment I saw her, something entered me. And then I realized, Allah has revealed something to me.
Hey, don't play with the name Allah.
Well, I'm sorry, Baba. But you see, I sent someone with a gift for her. And to find out who her parents were and how I could get in touch with them. But my messenger was badly treated by Amina's brothers. Well, it hurt me a bit, so if not for that, I would have come forward.
So, you have been seeing her through the back door?
No, Baba, don't get me wrong.
Hey, Master. Your class and my daughter's class are incompatible. We are poor, humble people. My daughter must keep to her station.
Madam, I love Amina. And I'll do anything that she desires to make her happy, if I am allowed.
Master, I think you have got our message. We don't have anything against you. We are only seeking the interest of our daughter. If you have something to do with her, please stop it. And if you don't have to, please don't start it. Try and forget her. Good night.
Baba, I'll give you a lift home.
What do you want here? Where are you from?
I knew my mother would force my father to come here.
Why?
Something happened at home this evening, so I had to tell my mother all about you.
Oh, I see.
But I gave her Amuzu's address. But tell me, what did they come to do?
They came to tell me to keep my hands off you.
And what did you tell them?
I told them I couldn't, because I love you.
You did?
Yeah.
You told them that?
Yes, I did.
I don't believe you.
Well, I did.
Do you love me?
you and I have a dream to share.
I must be going. I also shouldn't have given my people a lift. If they get home and I'm not there or soon after, I'm dead.
Well, okay. Take some money pick a taxi and quickly go home. There.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night.
Yes, come in. Where have you been?
I was with Salamatu.
Amina, this evening we went to see that man Abuaji. I didn't particularly want to go, but your mother insisted, so I had to go. Now, having seen that man, I think your mother is right. You are not of his class.
But father, mother wants me to marry Alhaji. He's also a big man. It's just that I don't love him.
And are you sure you love this Abuaji man?
Yes, I love him, and I feel he loves me too.
Tell me, has anything happened between the two of you?
No, Baba, I will not break your commandments.
You have to take time, Amina.
No, Baba, I shall never change my mind. If this man comes forward to marry me and anybody prevents him, I shall do something to myself.
Amina. You see, I understand. I understand how you feel. But please, take it easy. Go to bed.
Do you know a man called Abuaji?
Who are you?
That doesn't matter. I said, do you know him or not?
Yes, I do.
And you are the so-called Amina.
Yes.
Listen carefully. Don't let me ever see you with Abuaji again. Ever. And I'd advise you to stay by your mom's wachi to help her wash her dirty pants. You Zongo girls must learn to keep to your positions. I'll see you some. You like go and tell your mother.
Hey, Amina. Where from you and what's the matter with you?
Not one of these Abuaji's girlfriends.
What did she say?
Called Helen.
Helen. But I know that girl.
You know her.
Ha! What did she say?
I met her over there and she says I should stay away from Abuaji.
What? Was Abuaji born for her alone?
She says I should stick to my mother's wache pants.
As everybody know me to be the Zongo queen and the Zongo macho. Hey, don't worry at all. That girl, I will treat her. She will see. You know what? Go home. I'm coming just now.
Amina, why do you want to kick against me?
Mother, I'm not kicking against you. I love him.
How do you know you love him?
I feel it in my heart and in my whole body.
So you would want him to marry you?
Yes.
And do you think he wants you?
Mother, what do you mean by you? Am I not a human being?
Amina, you are still a young girl. You don't know how men are. Do you think you know this man very well? Men will tell you all sorts of beautiful things and make promises. But once they get...
Mother, did you know Daddy very well before he married you?
I knew him quite a bit.
Why did Daddy marry you?
He loved me and I loved him. And he wanted me to be his wife.
Mother, do marriages succeed because the man and the woman are equal?
All these are foolish and childish stuff. I mean, when you think at 20 you know everything. And I am telling you that you still need to be guided and protected. And as your mother, I'm going to do just that. You are not seeing this man anymore, period.
Mr. Waji, you are nice and kind.
Is that all you think about me?
Yes.
So, do you love me? You've never said so.
I'm afraid.
Of what?
I'm afraid that one day you'll leave me because I'm not of your class.
Listen to me, Amina. I saw you and I chose you against all odds. You see, they say that where the sheep likes is where it lays its white patch.
How about your girls? All these high-class ladies. So why are you interested in a poor Zongo girl?
Zongo girl? I don't like that. Amina, do you love me?
Promise that if I say yes, you are not going to take advantage of me.
I'll respect your wishes. Just say yes.
Let's go. I'll say that someday.
Why don't we go get something to eat? I'm hungry.
Where?
A restaurant or somewhere.
No, it's too expensive. Let's go to Doc's place. I'll prepare something nice for you.
Thank you.
You know something? Amina is different. How?
Food is ready.
Good. Now come over for a drink.
Good. I'll have that. I'm sorry. I can't stay any longer. What should I do with the shopping tomorrow?
Oh, send it to my mother.
Your mother?
Yes.
Alone?
Yes. Just send it to her. Tell her that I sent you. If by 4 p.m. I'm not there, then you can leave. But please come back around 7 p.m. I want to see you before I leave tomorrow.
Young lady, what's your name?
Please, Amina.
And what work do you do? Oh, thank you. I'll do it. Can you let me have the tray?
Please, madam. My time is up. I'll have to leave.
Yes, it's 4 o'clock. Thank you very much. And what do I tell Abuaji?
Please tell him I'll be at the market tomorrow. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Afi. Okay, bye-bye.
I see, ma. You had good company.
Yes. Abuaji asked her to bring these things and to wait for him. You think he's one of my daughters-in-law?
Oh, ma, as for you. But isn't she beautiful?
And she's well brought up too. I wouldn't mind if she
becomes your daughter-in-law.
You see, you will never know where a man's heart lies.
In fact, Ali, I am not happy with you at all. I am beginning to suspect that it is you who instigated Amina to run away from me. In fact, you deceived her. You don't want me to marry her. I don't like it at all.
Alhaji, you know as well as I do that custom demands that when you marry a woman, you take her to your house. For 2 years now, you have not been able to get hold of Amina. And if she has run away, why come to blame me?
Yes, I must blame you. Why? If Amina hasn't married for 2 years, which means she loves me. In fact, Ali, you are a bad man.
Ha! Alhaji, me? You are talking to me this way? Alhaji, look, don't get me angry. Huh?
Look, Ali, I love Amina very well. Sit down, let me tell you something. Ali, I promise you I will do you well. I want to marry Amina. What can you do for me?
you go home. Eh? When Amina returns, I will call her and talk to her. I will let you know the reply when you come back in 2 weeks' time.
Thank you. I promise you, I will do you well.
No.
I will do you well.
Okay.
Nagode.
Sister. What did you tell my sister?
Who is your sister?
Amina.
Look, if you care to know, I told her to keep away from Abuaji and to stick to her watches.
Hey, come back here. I'm still talking to you.
Ah, keep your dirty fingers.
What did you say, dirty? Look at that! Touch me. Look at that, Gemu. Look at that. Let her go. Hey, listen to me. Abuaji said he never told you he loved you. And that he has found a better girl, a watches seller, and a Zongo girl. You understand me? Next time, try it and you will see. Leave her, let her go. Go.
What are you doing here?
Mr. Abuaji, please take me anywhere you want.
Why?
Alhaji is back and he wants to marry me.
Oh, I see. So you're running to me because of Alhaji?
Oh no, I'm not.
You're not?
No.
Are you sure? Amina, do you love me? Then we must escape. We must escape to love. Come with me.
This is news. I have always said that boy is phony and a pretender. Why should he run away with the girl? By the way, who is that girl?
He has gone for some Zongo beauty.
What? Zongo girl?
Zongo beauty.
There you are. I have always said it. That boy has no standards.
What do you mean by Zongo girl? If he has no standards because of that, then you have no standards too.
What do you mean?
I am a Zongo girl. Born, bred and educated in a Zongo.
You are different. Come on, you are different. Come on. I love you, you are different.
Hey, Kokonsa. I've never seen a man who gossips so much like you.
Do I gossip?
Yes, you do. I don't like men who gossip. By the way, do you know that girl?
Oh, yes. I know the father.
Hey.
Save the details for now. As for this, I'll get into the matter.
Dito.
Where there Shemubodi?
Oh, God.
Hey, let me have some beer.
Please come. Do you know a girl here called Amina?
Yes, please.
Where does she stay?
Just over here.
Please call her for me.
Please, I have been sent.
Oh. Get this and call her for me.
Charlie, what is this? So, what does the man want?
Amina.
And the money?
He gave it to me.
Gentleman, come. Yes. What do you want Amina for?
Oh, why this question?
This man is trying to fool around.
Mutash Mbugashi.
Mind your language. Are you Amina? Look, you are one of those foolish men who have been coming here to spoil the small girls in this area.
Leave my shirt!
Leave it! You stupid boys! You wait! You can see your mouth stand there!
Hello.
Hi.
Have you been able to find who that girl is?
Oh, I was at the place.
Mm-hmm.
Some boys wanted to fool with me, so I disciplined them. You know what? Abaji is the type who can go into hiding and deliberately spread this kind of rumors just to get away from you.
So, what are you going to do now?
Check out this place and let me know.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Abigail,
Yes?
whatever happens, remember somebody loves you.
Hello, where's your master?
He's not around. He left Enuda. He was traveling. He left yesterday.
Where's he gone to?
No idea, madam.
Hey, where's your master?
Madam, please, didn't you see that I was talking to someone else?
I'm blind. I said, where is your master?
Lady, what is this? Can't you show a little respect that this man is talking to someone?
Don't you dare touch me.
Better with
you
your
hear
hands
me?
too.
Who are you? You are... Who are you? Who are you? Hey, you! It was your fault. It was your fault. You are stupid guy.
They must be here by now. Oh, Monsieur Michel.
Allô, bonjour. Ça va?
Très bien, how are you?
Oh, très bien. Je te présente mademoiselle Brigitte Logossou, qui représente Jacques.
Hello. Do you speak any English?
No.
Oh. Okay, excuse me. Une minute.
D'accord.
I'll be back.
D'accord, à tout à l'heure. Bon.
Is anything wrong?
Yes, I can't hold a meeting with my business partners. We have a problem of communication.
Why? Can't they talk?
They only speak French, and the guy who speaks French around here is on leave.
Let me be your translator. Ça va? Ça va bien?
Look, don't joke with this. I'm serious.
I'm not joking. I told you I was born in the Congo.
Well, fine. Then let's get dressed and come with me.
Oh no. My French is not for business. I haven't spoken French since I was 12.
I have to go to town with them to make some contacts. But then when I come back, then we'll have dinner. Okay? Alright, I'll see you. Monsieur Michel.
Oui.
My car.
Oui.
It's outside.
Ah bon?
Can we go now?
Oh, on y va?
Yes. This way.
Amina, ta robe est belle. Où est-ce que tu l'as achetée?
Merci. Elle a été cousue ici, au Ghana.
Ah bon? Tu parles français? Qu'est-ce que tu fais ici?
Je suis venue avec Monsieur Abouadji.
Écoute, cette femme parle français et elle est venue avec notre ami.
Boadi est un mauvais garçon. Pourquoi est-ce qu'il te l'a caché?
Yeah, we're here.
Abouadi, why not bring Amina to meeting?
You know, she used to speak French as a child, but it looks like she's forgotten it all. Can you still speak French?
Avec vous à mes côtés, ça revient doucement.
Oh, yeah?
J'ai besoin d'un peu de pratique.
Voilà. Anyway, so how do you get home? Should I get Amuzu to take you?
Don't worry, I'll get a taxi. I'll go first to my auntie and ask her to talk to my mom. Mom listens to him.
I see. Then we'll have to go together. I'll have to come and apologize, you see.
Don't worry, I'll go alone. Just keep to your promise.
I haven't forgotten that song.
Okay.
Bye, baby.
Bye. See you.
I feel good. Ta-na-na-na-na-na.
Woo! What about Rosalind? What about the other girls?
Which girls?
Didn't your steward boy tell you what happened in your absence?
No.
Go and ask him and you know. It's time you made up your mind. I can't have any more of those things.
Mama. I have already made up my mind. And it is Amina I have decided on.
Oh, I see. Is that why you sent her here? Are you sure it's her you want?
Didn't you like her?
Who knows what a man sees in a woman before he marries her? I also came from a similar background. And your daddy married me and made me into what I am now. All that is necessary is mutual respect.
Doc! Doc! I'm here. Okay. And we're going to celebrate. Oh, yeah? Right.
Yeah. How did you go?
Great. Yes!
Hey! Who's in there?
Who's in there? Who's in there? Tell me who's in there.
Faustina.
How?
You see, a friend in need is a friend indeed. And don't forget, the objective was to search and destroy. See?
You have disobeyed military orders. This calls for a court-martial.
Sir, I acted on humanitarian grounds, and the girl herself reminded me that one man's meat could be another man's poison, sir. And remember that talk. Rescue the perishing.
Oh, you're encouraging one. But anyway, get ready. Very soon we'll go and see Amina's people. Very soon we will go and see Amina's people.
Yes!
You bet.
You see, my dear, I've nothing against that man in person. But I think your daughter is going out of her class. And marriages like that don't work.
I think what makes marriage work is love, peace, understanding, and concern for each other. And I don't think these things come with degrees, nor do they come with illiteracy.
So you approve of the journey your daughter wants to take?
I haven't seen this man, so I can't answer your question.
You said Amina is here. Where is she?
Amina!
Yes, ma.
Your mother is here.
Amina!
Is that you already?
Isn't she beautiful? I'm taking her out tonight.
Are you coming with me?
I've asked her to bring the man. What's his name?
Mr. Abuaji.
Yes, Abuaji. I will examine him thoroughly. If he's good, why not? I'll bring him to see the elders. You can rely on me.
When are you coming home?
I'll come. When will ours be?
Oh, well, when we've decided whether we'll do it in a church or there's going to be an Amelia like this. What do you want?
I leave it to you.
Oh, yeah? All right.